Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I got happy mail from It's a Stroke of Life, Mellisa. Mellisa is a sweetheart, and she has been so busy on her channel. She's been making all kinds of beautiful outfits for her dolls for Christmas, and you should drop by and see those. She's been working with her AG dolls, American Girl. She just got one from the thrift store. You don't want to miss that. Oh wow, how nice. Look at this rocking horse fabric. Oh, I am loving that. This is something that my brother's wife, who is no longer with us, would have had. She collected rocking horses, and at Christmas, I think she had fabric like this or much like this made into placemats that she had all set up with rocking horse plates. Mellisa, that is so cool. Merry Christmas. I wanted to say thank you for being such an inspiration this year. Your challenges and collabs have really helped get me back to making things for my dolls and for donation. You seem to really like the first fabric. I made the kittridge. I'm dyslexic. You have to forgive me. I stumble all the time when I read out loud. Christmas dress, so I thought I would send you some a little bigger than a fat quarter, and it should make something for your dolls. Hope it's useful. Are you kidding? I'm going to have so much fun. And this lace, I was looking at it while I was talking about the placemats. I could layer that, like this green over that white. How cute would that be? And do something with the red and the white. I love it. Thank you. Thank you, Mellisa. I really appreciate it. Go by and see Melissa's channel. You will love her. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.